A custom factory order is a vehicle specifically built to your specification. Here's how it works. If you know exactly what you want, build your vehicle on the manufacturer's website and send it to us via email. If you're not sure what you want or you want to compare options, our order specialists are ready to help you compare as many options as you need. With all vehicle builds, we will provide you with a transparent process, including the MSRP of the vehicle and our Mark Dodge sale price. All communication is done virtually, including all paperwork and disclosures. E-signatures and a wire transfer seal the deal. And your build process will begin once we receive a $1,000 deposit. You also have a total price protection. Once the factory has assigned a VIN number to your vehicle, we will let you know. While the vehicle is being built, you may track progress through the manufacturer's website, or you can reach out to your order specialist to stay informed. As of the recording of this video, most builds take between 4 and 6 months. Once the factory completes your build, they will ship your vehicle directly to our dealership. One of our sales managers will call you once the vehicle is approximately 7 to 10 days away from our store. They're going to provide you with an update when you can expect your vehicle to be ready. At this time, you will discuss the details of any trade-in value you may have. You can also discuss if you intend to come to Lake Charles to obtain the vehicle or if you would like the vehicle shipped directly to your home. Once the vehicle arrives at our store, a business manager will be in touch to coordinate a virtual meeting to discuss and finalize any and all paperwork that remain. All vehicles arrive in ship mode, and we will prep your vehicle to be consumer ready. This involves activating features, filling air, gas, and fluids, and also inspecting for safety and damage. The last step is getting the vehicle to you, and our logistics team will assist you in doing that any way you'd like.